In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find documents you shared on Google Drive. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you can easily locate your shared files. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, you will notice the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of small squares. Clicking on it will give you quick access to various Google services. It is a great way to navigate between them without needing to type in URLs. If you are not using Chrome, simply open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Drive directly. This ensures you can quickly access the applications you need. Once that is done, click on the Drive option from the drop-down menu. This action will take you directly to your Google Drive homepage. Here you will see all your files and folders. This is where you manage your documents, whether they're shared with you or created by you. It's important to know that Google Drive stores everything in one organized place, making it easier to locate what you need. Now, click inside the search bar at the top of the Google Drive interface. The search bar is a powerful tool that helps you filter through your files efficiently. As you click inside, you will see a cursor blinking, ready for you to type. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify exactly what you are looking for, which saves you time in the long run. Next, click the Search Options filter icon located on the far right side of the top search bar. This icon looks like a funnel. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This filter allows you to refine your search parameters, which is helpful when you have many files. By using filters, you can narrow down your results to find specific documents faster. From there, set the Owner field to Owned by Me. This step is essential because it limits the search results to files that you created. You will only see documents that you have ownership of. This is important for clarity and helps you quickly identify items that you can edit or manage. After that, set the Shared With field to Anyone. Alternatively, you can type a specific person's email address if you are looking for files shared with an individual. This flexibility allows you to either broaden or narrow your search based on your needs. By doing this, you ensure that you see all relevant documents shared with others, making it easier to track collaboration. Now, click the Search button. This action will initiate the search based on the criteria you've set. You will see the results populate below the search bar. This is a critical moment because now you will be able to view all the documents that fit your specified filters. You should see a list of files that you own and have shared, which will help you manage your documents effectively. In conclusion, following these steps will streamline the process of finding documents you have shared on Google Drive. Remember, utilizing the search filters can save you time and provide clarity on your files. So take your time and explore these features to enhance your Google Drive experience. Thank you for watching and happy searching.